First off, we've got a little Overwatch. Now, I've never played the first Overwatch, but apparently they've released Overwatch 2, which from what I've heard is more of like a DLC to the original game. It's not fucking changed a thing at all whatsoever. So why even release it, I hear you ask? I don't know. That's the big question, my friends. And it's like, I don't know. If the Bible was so good, why didn't they release Bible 2? If Overwatch is so good, why did they release Overwatch 2? Because they need that money. Blizzard are like, we need to recover all of the losses after all of those harassment allegations went around.